How to play CS2 Faceit. So first what you want to do is just simply go to your Faceit desktop app or Faceit website. So it's basically the same. It's the same process. So I'm just going to use the website version. So we'll just simply click on play here on the left side. Now once that's done, click on connect game here in the middle if it's not connected yet. Now simply click on connect Steam. So I'm just going to connect my Steam right here. So click on sign in. Then click on allow. Then wait for it to load. And once it's done, it should be automatically connected, just like so. And as you can see, you have successfully registered your game on Faceit. And you could also check your Steam friends. So 0 of your Steam friends are playing on Faceit. That basically means that there's no one on your friend list that's playing on Faceit. Or you could also add them right here if you want, or if you want to add someone. For me, I'm just going to go and continue. Now, once it's done, as you can see, there's a slot for which you can invite someone. Let's say I want to invite a friend, just simply click on that and the friend list should pop up right here. So if you have friends, you could just simply click on them right here so that you could invite them to your lobby. Either way, you could just simply go here at the bottom. And as you can see, there's this type 5v5 match. And there's also this upgrade right here, where if you upgrade it, it will bring you right here and show you the benefits of the premium version of Faceit. And if you scroll down, you can see all of the benefits right there. And once it's done, you can just simply click on play, but you need to download the anti-cheat launcher. So just simply click on download or launch right here. And that's basically it.